Welcome. In this video, we're gonna learn how to write a system of linear equations in vector form and matrix form. So first we're going to start with vector form. There are three ways you can write a system of linear equations in vector form. So vector form. So one way to write it is as follows. You go like this. You write your coefficient as follows. And we set that equal to like that. So that's one way. Another way you can write it in vector form is as follows. You write it like this. You separate each variable into columns. For example, here the 2x, the x, and the 3x gets one column, and then you do the same for the other columns. So 3y, 5y, 11y plus 5z, 7z, 6z, and then you set that equal to your vector b. We can call this vector b. And then your final way of setting up this vector form is as follows. Then you take this one, you take this form, and you pull out an x. And then you leave only the coefficients. So 2, 1, 3 plus y 3, 5, 11 plus this one has to be z plus z, then 5, 7, 6, and you set that equal to your vector b. So these are the three ways you can write a system of linear equations in vector form. So 1, 2, 3. And they are useful. These different ways help you to solve different kinds of problems. Now we're going to write matrix form. So now matrix form. The way you do it is you take each coefficient of each variable and you put them in columns. So the first column gets the coefficients of the x's. So for example, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, and then 3, 5, 11, and then 5, 7, 6, and then you multiply that by your each variable x, y, z, and then you set equal to your vector b, which is 10, 3, 5. So this kind of looks as this form: x vector equals b vector. But here we have x, y, and z, so So we can call this the variable vector, your x vector. But remember, here in each x, you can call them, they are redefined. In this example, they are redefined as x, y, and z. Usually when you write it like this form, x bar is equal to x, in this case would be x1, x2, x3. But because we set up x, y, and z, we imply that it's in this form, but technically we're using different variables x, y, and z. But it wouldn't hurt if we put x1, x2, x3 here and solve for each one of them, as long as we know that x1 is equal to x, x2 is equal to y, and z is equal to x3. So that's all I wanted to teach you on this video. We learned how to write a system of linear equations in vector form and matrix form. So don't forget to subscribe, please. Thank you very much.